Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to add business location on Snapchat Map. In order to add business location on Snapchat Map, you could follow these simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Snapchat account. So first thing first, what you want to do is make sure that the application is completely up to date. If not, then head over to your Play Store and on the search box type in Snapchat. So when you type in Snapchat, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see update, that means the app needs to be updated. Whereas if you see open, it means that the application is completely updated. Now press the open button and make sure to log into your account, which will look something like this. Now here you want to go ahead and open up your map or Snap Map. After that, you could go ahead and find out your information as well. So here, what next you want to do is click on the gear icon from the top right and scroll down right to the bottom and select support underneath, which has suggest a place. Now here you want to go ahead and enter the name of the place and then tap to add an address. Then you could fill out the form with your business information. So add a photo of your business as well and click on submit. With this, you'll have successfully added business location on Snapchat Map. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.